Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine a curling iron that takes the guesswork out of creating those perfect curls. No skill required. Today, we're looking at the INFINITIPRO by Conair Curl Secret Mini Automatic Curling Iron. It's designed to help you effortlessly curl your hair, whether you're a styling pro or just looking for an easy way to create gorgeous curls in no time. This little tool is all about convenience and precision. With a half-inch barrel, it's perfect for creating curls on short to medium hair lengths. It comes with an automatic curling function that uses tangle-free technology to draw hair safely into the curl chamber, where it's held, timed, and heated to perfection. There's no fumbling with traditional curling irons here. It's all automated, so you get consistent, flawless curls every time. The Curl Secret Mini offers 3 preset curl types: defined, loose, and wavy. So you can customize your curls to fit your mood or the look you're going for. Whether you're after tight, voluminous curls or soft, beachy waves, this tool has you covered. Plus, it's cordless, making it an ideal travel companion. Just make sure to fully charge it overnight before your first use for the best performance. In terms of heat settings, it's got 2 options: 360 degrees Fahrenheit for fine or damaged hair, and 395 degrees Fahrenheit for thicker or more resistant strands. With ceramic technology, it distributes heat evenly, minimizing damage and ensuring your hair stays healthy looking and shiny. The INFINITIPRO Curl Secret Mini is also designed with safety in mind. The tangle-free technology and barrel cover ensure that your hair is protected while curling, and it prevents accidental scalding, which can be a big concern with traditional curling irons. Whether you're a first-timer or someone who uses styling tools often, this feature will give you peace of mind. I've had the chance to test this out, and here's how it performed. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle, even when curling from awkward angles. The automatic curl chamber took a little getting used to, but once you figure out how to position the tool, it's incredibly efficient. The curls held up throughout the day, which was impressive. No need for touch-ups after styling, even on my medium-length hair. On the downside, it does take a few tries to get the technique down. It's not a just grab-and-go situation, especially when it comes to learning how to place your hair properly into the chamber. But once you get the hang of it, the process is fast and smooth. As for the value, the INFINITIPRO Curl Secret Mini is on the pricier side compared to traditional curling irons. But when you consider the convenience of cordless styling and the flawless curls it delivers, I'd say it's worth the investment, especially if you're often on the go or want something compact for travel. For those of you who might be looking for a similar product, but at a lower price point, there are other automatic curling irons available that don't have the same sleek design or tangle-free technology, but still get the job done. However, if you're willing to spend a little extra for a reliable, efficient tool that can create a variety of curls with minimal effort, this one is a solid choice. All in all, the INFINITIPRO by Conair Curl Secret Mini Automatic Curling Iron delivers on its promises. It's easy to use, versatile, and ideal for creating smooth, shiny curls without the hassle. If you're looking for a tool that can save you time while still giving you great results, this might just be your new best friend. If this review was helpful to you, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review. Your support means so much and helps us keep bringing you the best in beauty. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried the INFINITIPRO Curl Secret Mini, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.